What's a dead giveaway that someone has come from poverty? 1. My best friend in high school came from a very poor childhood. I think it was most prevalent when he got really excited about the most mundane meals. Like a cheeseburger from McDonald's made him so excited. Looking back, I learned a lot from that guy. 2. My dad went on the first date with my mom and her family and ordered shrimp. My grandfather, mom's dad, starting laughing and asked how the shrimp was. He said good but a little crunchy. Everyone is now laughing and my mom had to explain to him that the shrimp needed to be peeled. He grew up poor and never had shrimp before. They ended up getting married and taught me how to peel shrimp. I am very thankful I never had to endure crunchy shrimp. 3. If they are well off now, a full fridge and pantry. People that grow up hungry never want to feel that way again. They never want their kids to know what true hunger feels like, so they pack the fridge to damn near overflowing. Also, having a variety of different foods and beverages available at any time is something poor families don't usually get to experience. 4. What's a dead giveaway that someone has come from poverty? 1. My best friend in high school came from a very poor childhood. I think it was most prevalent when he got really excited about the most